So, welcome people to this call, a gift call on the topic that is overthinking loops. I mean, that's just a second. The topic was given being stuck in overthinking loops. Yeah. And what if we could just change it to breaking the overthinking loop? How much have you been using your mind or abusing your mind or getting abused by your mind that it is creating paralysis by analysis? What if we could change that? What if it could be something different for today? And the question is, are you constantly looping the same thought, same situation, scenario, or questions in your mind without even moving forward or without ever moving forward? So here we're going to be diving in today into how overthinking is often a distraction from awareness and a way of avoiding true choice. So here we are talking about access consciousness. So how about using those pragmatic tools of access consciousness, clearings, powerful questions that we have, and how about melting away the gymnastics of your mind so that you can unlock your knowing? So what are we going to explore today? What is overthinking really covering up? Because if you're doing overthinking, there is something that you're hiding or you're trying to cover up, right? And the lie of, let me figure this out. How many people do this? And that's a logical definition of things that you're not choosing. So there is no freedom of choosing. Instead, you're getting stuck in the lie of figuring it out. So maybe we can have some powerful questions and clearing statement. Of course, we all know that, but we'll not be using it because this is going to go on social media. So we're not using the clearing statement, but you know the clearing statement so that we can break the stuck energy that you have with that overthinking. It's a sport, I think. How often are you using that overthinking to kill your awareness? Hello, so many people. Yes. It's only Pari who is actually facing with her video. Rest all are in the hiding. Thank you, Niru. That is it. That's my goal. Thank you, Rukshana. That's my goal.
I am coming on camera in 5 minutes because I have to switch from my phone to my laptop. Then I'll come on camera.
Yes. Thank you. That's my girl, Niti. Thank you for coming and showing up with
Hi.
your face. Hi. So, yes. So, we're going to be exploring tools and how to use these tools when you're getting into a loop of constantly overthinking. So, when you're thinking more, you're not really taking the action. So, what kind of access tools can you be using? And what questions could you be using so that you can be out of this mess? And you're creating that mess in your head only. So, can we just take a deep breath and get present with your bodies? Breathe in all those calming energies that you have and breathe out all your anxiety, that tension, that stress that has been hovering around you. Push your barriers down, further down, barriers down, and pull a lot of energy through the universe into your body so that you can be here with me and not overthink while you have a habit of overthinking and thinking about something else while you're on the call. That's not fun. That's not going to be taking you anywhere. When you're here, just be here. So when you're in that overthinking loop, can you ask this question? How many of you have been trying to figure it out all over here in your head? सोचने दो मुझे, मैं सोच के बताती हूँ. And how we are often used to it. That's our conversation, right? You want to say that, okay, I'll ask questions, I'll come back to you, which is great. But you're going to figure it out here and mess it up. What if overthinking is not a sign of intelligence, but a refusal to choose? That you're not wanting to choose anything, chalo sochte chale jate hain. And one thought leads to another thought, another thought, another thought, and you're like going spirally, you're just going downwards. But at the same time, you're not wrong for all your looping thoughts. What if you're just so aware, then you actually acknowledge or realize it? And when you do realize it, just use the clearing statement to clear the clouds that come in. Because here is the awareness, and there are the clouds that are covering it up. How many of you?
Are these actually clouds, or these thoughts are also entities only, no?
Course, they become entities because constantly when you're hovering with those energies, they also become, every judgment that comes with that then becomes a demon. So how many personal demons are you carrying with you so that you can keep yourself busy and keep telling yourself that, oh, people don't like me and people are doing bad things to me? But maybe people aren't. You are doing it to yourself, right?
Mm.
And how many of you use overthinking as a distraction for yourself? So that jana kahan hai, but you're like stuck here. You know you need to go there, but you would not let yourself go anywhere because you're stuck over here. Like, so if I have to write a book and I keep thinking that I have to write a book and I have to overthinking that who's going to buy this book? Our people are not into reading anymore, but I want to write a book. And then it goes on like a mental chatter. So, sometimes ask yourself, are you using overthinking as a form of control? Are you trying to protect yourself or stay safe and not choose? So how many choices are you avoiding by the overthinking that you're choosing? And how many of you confuse awareness with anxiety? Because when you're overthinking, you're not breathing, because one thought overlaps the other thought, overlaps the other thought, overlaps the other thought. There is no space. So you'll have your headaches going on. You'll become a warrior instead of a warrior. A warrior is required so that you take action and go do what you're required to do. But क्योंकि जगह ही नहीं है आपके विचारों के बीच में, why do other modalities what they talk? Breathe, relax, breathe, relax. So when we do bars, it cuts down your overthinking. Those 32 points on the head, they melt away the energy of that overthinking, the thoughts. And the point is, who does it belong to? Because your satellite out here, your radar out here is so powerful that you're literally picking up stuff from people. And now those thoughts are running in your machine. So all you have to do is return it to sender. That's all you need to do to begin with. So who does it belong to? I mean, those looping thoughts are not even yours. You picked it up energetically or collectively from other people, like family members, could be people, the society that you live in. You're just constantly picking it up. That's it. So ask yourself, truth, who does this belong to? And if it lightens up, you know it's not yours. Because would you rather take an action, or you will be happy just spending time thinking? And the point is, what are you enjoying by mental masturbation? Where you're not even coming and you're not having fun. What do you love about your loops that you keep getting stuck again and again and again and again? Because you're here. Then you think, okay, ye kya soch raha hoga, ye kya soch raha hoga, ye kya soch raha hoga. And that's like a loop.
Is it becoming a pattern or a structure? It's a vicious circle.
It is a vicious circle.
It's making structures in the body also.
Absolutely. Some people create it as a structure, some people create it as a pattern, disharmony in the body. Because at the end of the day, your body is confused, like, karna kya hai mujhe? Because you're thinking
How can we break that pattern of
Yeah,
that overthinking?
we're coming to that. We're coming to that.
Yeah, and it lead to pain also in the body.
Yeah, absolutely. Again, who does it belong to? Return it to sender. That's one of your key tools. That, okay, who am I thinking for in the first place? Kiski soch hai ye? Am I tapping into my ancestors? Am I tapping into my parents? Am I tapping into my kids? Who am I tapping into? Whose thought is this? That's not me. And return it to sender. Or am I tapping into some lifetime where I did nothing and only thought, and I was only thinking. The other thing is that another tool that you can use is interesting point of view. So all your judgment, right, wrong, good, bad, fixed conclusions, they are interfering with your energy and your thoughts are spinning. So interesting point of view, I have this point of view, and repeat it a couple of times till it brings some sense of lightness in your world. Maybe there are times where you have to use interesting point of view more than 500 times, and that's okay. Because कुछ विचार इतने गहरे होते हैं, you don't even know वो आ कहाँ से रहे हैं. हम क्या करते हैं, एक दो बार बोलते बोलते नहीं जा रहा, हो गया मैंने किया. We get restless with that process also, कि बार बार कितना देर बोलना है. You know, anybody, I mean, you talk about stress, money, confusion, relationship, your parental guilt. एक issue nahi hai na, right? We have a lot of stuff going on, and every thought is overlapping the other thought. And especially when we're sitting idle and doing nothing. Actually, we're not doing nothing. We're choosing not to choose anything. That's what it's saying. What are you avoiding if you're not choosing anything? What does that mean to you? So anybody wants to share and like a thing, like an issue that you might be going through, and then you have this overthinking capacity where you're actually not. Yeah.
I'm going through overthinking. बहुत ज्यादा सोचने से बीमारी आती है, इफेक्ट है. और you also know my past history.
Yes.
Because of what you said, it's true.
Yeah. So again, all those interesting points of view that you were given by the doctors or by people, or you picked it up on the way because you came to your own conclusions. Who does it belong to? And interesting point of view to all your conclusions. And of course, the third one is get your bars run and get them run so much कि वहां पे सिर्फ space create हो जाए. Typically bars क्या कर रहा है, वो आपके overthinking के बीच में spaces create कर रहा है, और उन spaces में you can invite something else, because you don't have to believe every thought. Remember that. You don't have to, because you end up going into a negative self-talk that ruins your space, your mind space. And the whole thing is, mind is a dangerous thing. You have to waste it. Okay, sometimes you will have to practically do things that will distract you. Like start working out, go for a walk, listen to music, start dancing. Right? Can you do that? Because physically you will have to engage into something.
So what if like if we try physically something and then overthinking, I try to move a little bit with the dance movement,
Yes.
and I have the song sunki and recalling the past, and then after 2 days I'm having pain. So that's because of the overthinking, because I went back to the past and the song reminded me of the past.
The minute you go to the past, you have that trauma stored in the body which is not yet melted. So at a cellular level, so हमारे साथ एक घटना घटी. Okay, there's an event that you experience. You think you moved on, but something is frozen here. That has to melt. Now,
मैंने अभी body process choose किया तो वो भी आया था, and like the epidermis also cellular memory वाला भी आया था, and zero trauma also popped up.
Yeah.
So I have problem in getting relationship wala overthinking. It's too much overthinking.
Yeah, but how is that? How is that going to help you? Can you do something to confuse your senses so that you don't think about it? Maybe go put your
as long as I'm out of my home, I don't overthink. As soon as I'm back in my room, I start overthinking.
So how many entities
but this
are
guy
there?
will also leave. This guy will also go.
Ask yourself a question. How many entities are there in my room that I'm aware of? They're still not yours.
100.
That is still not yours. See, my point is, हम किसी कोठरी में जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जीज है, बट वो फिर भी वो एनर्जी हमारी नहीं है. So you have to be only aware, okay, this is so not mine.
Maybe clearing, I do clear them, but then
No,
the
you don't have to clear them. You just have to be aware of them. I'm not asking you to clear anything.
Okay.
Because you're trying to find a solution to something which is not. Because आप वो जगह में जा रहे हो तो वो वाली energy वहाँ पे present है. The minute you come out of it, you're fine. Which means,
Yes.
okay, what can I do to be outside my or out of my house for longer hours, so that I only come, so that I get to only sleep and get out again. You are trying to, like choice creates awareness, but you want to create a right choice before choosing.
And right is the wrong thing. It's
Yeah,
right and wrong.
there is no right choice, right? It just you just have an awareness. You just have to choose. It is not, anything else. Choice
Yeah.
also creates awareness. So you need to start choosing so that you can be more aware.
These days, my body's saying, move out, just go away from this place.
Yeah. So if that works for you, and if you were not trying to get it right, what would you choose? You want to get it right. You want to nail it down in the first place. If you were not trying to get it right, what would you choose?
Adventure.
It's
Like,
made
कुछ
so
भी-
vital. A lot of
This
people
is
are
the
stuck with root cause कहाँ से आ रहा है मुझे जानना है. I'm working on a client right now and उसको सिर्फ root cause जानना है हर चीज का. What if it's in some other lifetime? Why would you want to go to the root cause, right?
Hmm.
Right is, there is something. I need to go beyond it. So what have you made so vital about figuring it out all the time that keeps you from choosing your way out? So everything that is trying to uncreate.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're not doing the clearing statement as this is on social media and all. We're not doing that. But point is get to understand, not even understand, okay, that is not a word we're using. Get the energy of that. Yes, Vandana.
So, Kavita, from this conversation, what I'm getting is we do a lot of past life regression, and some of us, not we, all,
Yeah.
do inner child work, blah, blah, blah. What I have found with doing inner child work, for instance, is that I'm feeding that wolf over and over again. So I've stopped doing it. Because the
So
more I feed that wolf, the more those feelings, I don't even remember those emotions. And now suddenly I've gone to my childhood and remembered that my mother denied me this, or father did, you know. So unless it's like a deep rooted trauma, which really needs to be curated and taken out, there's no point adding
I
fuel to the.
I never said that go and do your past life or inner
No,
child.
I'm not
Some
talking
people
about you.
believe in it. I'm not saying it's bad. It's
Hmm.
for some people it works. But again, it's like a Russian doll thing, right? It's
Right.
like chopping the onions. It's like the boys. Okay, you keep clearing. थोड़े समय के लिए अच्छा लगता है, and again you're back to square one. What we're
Correct.
doing is when you're doing access processes, you're eliminating the entire wiring of that. And you're like,
Correct.
हाँ हुआ था तो, like that
Hmm.
was it. Like it was a trauma given to you. Fair enough. You created it at some point, right? It be unconscious, conscious, whichever way you created it. Okay. Now what can I choose?
In fact, I find after doing a lot of modalities that bars and all these
Kids सोफे के
modalities
बीच
are
में
on
टेबल के बीच अंदर
steroids.
से ले ले मेरा एक
Literally,
कार्ड
Yeah. Sorry.
it's
Keep
these
yourself.
modalities on steroids. If you do them, before you know it, they're just gone. You're not even thinking those thoughts.
No, you're not. You have to become absolute space.
Yeah.
And bars gets you to do that. And also include your body. What
Right.
happens is there is a body and then we have the mind. Okay. And mind, that overthinking keeps you in your head and out of your body. You have to again re-establish your contact with your body. So, body, what do you know? So, when you scan the body or you just get present with your body by asking questions, body, what would create ease right away? Because restlessness body में आ रही है क्योंकि thinking यहाँ चल रही है. And then you're getting anxious and getting overwhelmed, right?
And getting IBS and stuff like that.
Yeah, because body तो store कर ही जा रहा है. It's like more like a vessel. वो आप यहाँ चला रहे हो मशीन, यहाँ पे उसका असर आ रहा है. किसी को constipation हो रहा है, किसी को डायरिया हो रहा है, किसी को piles हो रहा है. Yeah, BMM works. Yeah, very well. BMM really works because you're mimicking your parents because your first input was your parents. So every question, how about living with these questions? What else is possible here that I've never considered? Because you think कि यही एक चीज है जो हो सकती है और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. What if we did not have to make everything significant? क्योंकि छोटी छोटी बातें होती है, कोई relevant नहीं है, कोई उसका दम नहीं है. We just make everything significant as if हमने कुछ बहुत बड़ा तबाही करके रखा है, devastation करके रखा है. What if you could just go easy on yourself? What if perfectionism चाहिए आपको हर चीज में? तो another there is a body process which is perfectionism. Your insanity can be cleared with that body process. That overthinking leads to anxiety, and it's a vicious cycle. So can you be easy on yourself? Because in a way, you're trying to punish yourself for something that you've done or not done. Maybe just go start playing with the sand, the earth, pottery kar lo, gardening kar lo. Just engage yourself into something else where you're creating something. The overthinking also happens when you're not creating anything alongside. You're only thinking that you would like to create, but you're creating nothing. I mean, you're creating something in the form of sickness and illness with that overthinking. But what if you didn't have to? If you're worried about finances, for example, so start writing it down. Okay, how much do I require to live? Okay, this much. Start creating a budget. Work on it. Okay, अगर मेरे को इतना चाहिए तो मेरे को कहाँ से आ सकता है? What can I do? You've made money a big stressor in your life. Is it even
Like a vision, like we create a vision and work towards it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Maybe listen, as I said, listen to music, listen to start dancing, start body movement. Oh my God, body movement clears it like magic. Some people love to exercise. जब बहुत दिमाग चल रहा होता है वो जाके वर्कआउट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So practical ways of eliminating the loops. A lot of people cannot meditate. Fair enough. Get a process done. Put your hands on your head only and start doing your process. If you don't have anyone. Reasons, justification हम सबके पास बहुत है.
What the bars we can give maximum 3 commands, right? 3 bar
Doesn't
commands.
matter. Just hold your implant band and just sit for some time.
Okay.
So it's not about what can be done. मेरा खुद का हाथ खड़ा हो गया. Anyway, so yeah. Are you practicing gratitude on a daily basis for every smallest of thing that comes into your life or doesn't come into your life? Problem is when we are not grateful for things. Practicing gratitude. That अच्छा ये problem भी आई है. Wow, cool. How does it get better than this?
You mean we should pay gratitude for the problem to pop up?
Why not? So that then when you're being in gratitude to everything, things are changing there. You're not overthinking. And the minute you acknowledge there's a problem, half of the problem goes away. Because worrying is not helping you anyway, right? So what am I aware of that no one else is willing to be aware of? You are an aware person. You all are psychics. You all get all that information. What am I aware of that no one else is willing to be aware of? You can ask this question, what future am I aware of that I'm pretending not to know? And then you're like getting occupied and busy with overthinking. Isn't it amazing? So one of these questions, whatever makes you feel lighter, that will distract and disrupt your overthinking loop the minute you ask a question. It's like, overthinking is more like AI. You know how AI is functioning abhi? Your Siri, Google and all. Question दिया नहीं उससे पहले आपसे question पूछने लग जाते हैं वो. As if they already know what you're thinking. There are times when you're just thinking and your reels start floating, right? They're catching that vibration, right? So choice creates that awareness. You have to leave open-ended questions so that you are not stuck in the process of overthinking. They could be entities. Clear those entities if you know access. Get your bars run. Keep using who does it belong to, and sometimes it will not go because It's just saying that you're aware of certain things. You don't have to throw that awareness away. You have a problem with that awareness only. And then उस awareness को conclusion में डालने का problem. What
If
is,
that awareness is causing pain, so
but how
वो
can
तो
awareness
problem नहीं
cause
है ना।
pain? How can awareness cause pain, Baba? How can awareness hai? Your conclusion of that awareness or you not being an allowance of that awareness is causing that pain. How can you say that awareness is pain? Awareness is very light, feather touch. Okay, wow. It's like that awareness when Gary asked Dane a question. So did you at 6 years of age create this abuse in your life? And he was like, yeah, I did. And he did not create pain in that. It was just an awareness that he got. Yes, I did. So you are aware. For example, a lot of people say, parents don't do this, huh? Parents don't do this. Yeah, right. But we've had, I mean, if you ever pick up Crime Patrol kind of program, they're only showing how mothers are killing their kids or fathers are killing their kids, and everything is possible, right? Anything and everything is possible. Dane's stepmom abused him. He was a child. But it did not make him into a beast. He chose something else, and that choice created more awareness. It's about including your body along with you. You're not willing to receive information from your body. What if you do? And that will happen when you ask questions. That's how you break a loop. Even whatever's going around you as an AI loop, like this entire world is working on that, right? That's when we kind of ask a question. That's like an algorithmic interrupt. You know about that, right? Algorithmic interrupt. Everything which is electronic has a program. We are programmed in a certain way. And the program can only be broken if you ask a question. Question in itself is an algorithmic interrupt. So where are you refusing to ask a question? And what question could I ask here that could stop your overthinking? Any questions? Like, please ask. It's like an interactive, it's not a monologue. Could you ask questions? Where are you stuck? You're on this call, which obviously means that you're also in your interesting sport is overthinking. You enjoy the sport, right?
How can we leave the habit of overthinking?
I just said, so how do you disrupt the loop of overthinking? Include your body. Physically, start doing something. Start practicing gratitude in that moment. Distract yourself in some way or the other. Ask a question. Get your bars run or any process done. Run your implant band. That works magic. Okay, just go
And you
pick.
said, who does this belong to? Say, who
Yeah.
does this belong to? Return it to sender. All
And
these.
if it doesn't go, because see, sometimes you're in that space and it is not going. तुम यहाँ हो and वो जो चीज तुमको awareness दे रही है, you're now that is intimidating you, like, right? So now this is going nowhere. Unless, like how Neeti said, when I'm out of the house, then it's different. But when I come back, it's the same, right? Because this thing is here only. It is going nowhere. So what do? Oh, okay. I am aware of this. There's some energy over here. I'm aware of that. What if you did not have to come to reaction or conclusion with that? So what am I aware of that no one else is willing to be aware of?
And
What-
what can I do to change this?
Yes, yes,
What
absolutely.
what can I be or do here?
Yeah, what if you didn't have to react to anything? It's just an energy, right?
And the other thing which you said, which was very pertinent, is दो दफे करके मत छोड़ देना. वो मैं कर. I know all the tools. अब पर दो दफे करके छोड़.
हाँ हुआ नहीं, ये तो नहीं, this is not working, 2 बार करेंगे and we're like, नहीं नहीं बहुत किया मैंने, हो नहीं रहा. But my
10-20-30 करके भी छोड़ देते हैं.
exactly, if A is not working, ask B. If B is not working, something else is required. Like Gary and Dane का तो pact है ना कि अगर एक बहुत सारे tools use किए और फिर भी काम नहीं हो रहा है, then get your bars done. And that changes your relationship, crankiness, the weirdness, the irritability that comes in relationships. So how, yes, there is a list of things that you can actually do. As
I
I said,
think SOP will contribute, right, Kavita?
absolutely, SOP yeah, because see, somebody who's really far off, like I'm working on people right now who are really at a distance. I'm working on them. It just relaxes and calms their mind. Hands on नहीं हो सकता है तो then whatever works. And जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं यही बोलूं कि only access tools work. Anything. Maybe you've done Reiki. Start doing Reiki on your head points. Start doing
SOP.
Reiki on your heart points or whatever, chakras, whatever you know in that moment, start doing that.
Do a head
SOP you said, SOP
Uh,
you said will work on the mind, but done distantly, will it work on the body also?
Why not? Why not? Because your thoughts are affecting the body when you're working on the thoughts. Why would it not? Because you're working at the energy body, right? It will
Yeah.
have a calming effect on your body as well when your thoughts are calmed down. Yes, Vandana, you were saying something?
I said do a headstand if nothing else.
Yeah, a lot of people
Just-
cannot do headstand. A lot of
No,
people
just
cannot do.
like, you know,
So,
just
For
yeah.
me, what used to work when and it's not that I was not in that phase. So I would get 3 hours ke bars run and still I'm back into the same space. Until I realized that, okay, there were a lot of entities that at that time. But I would just pick up the phone and start talking. For me, that was relaxation. Whoever was available at that time. Hey, you know what? I'm going through this. Can you talk to me? That worked for me. You have to find your comfort in what works for you. आधे टाइम तो ये भी हम सोच रहे होंगे कि कोई और हमसे कैसे बात करेगा, हम उसको तंग तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. You get it? Like we're so used to thinking about what other people would be thinking if we do this. So everything that brought up can be destroyed and create. So yes, I mean, if I have to summarize it, who does it belong to? You do interesting point of view. I have this point of view. Start choosing something and then choice creates awareness. ये करके देखते चलो ठीक है क्या होगा देखते हैं. Ask your body what's going on. क्या करना चाहिए? Suppose you're lying down and you have no other choice. So okay, who can I call? Maybe put on some music, some podcast or some access calls and disrupt that loop with an open-ended question.
Can you give an example of an open-ended question, like who does it belong to?
Yeah,
What?
all open-ended questions. Yeah, so open-ended questions would be like, what is this? Could be anything, right? What could I do with this? Can I change it? If so, how can I change it? You just leave it and you're like, acha, and the mind go up. You're just navigating your mind. उसको mind आपको भटका रहा है. मैं कह रही हूँ mind को आप भटका दो ना.
You control your mind rather than mind controlling you.
You control भी नहीं, because see point is mind को control करने जाओगे again वो overwhelm और restlessness और anxiety create करेगा. क्योंकि mind को तुम्हारी weak points पता है. वो वही
Right.
बताएगा तुमको और तुमको घबरा देगा. A lot of people now would say that, oh, Rahu का चल रहा है, and you know, okay, Rahu creates unnecessary fear. Get to know what is this? Is this planet really going to be, troubling me? Okay, then what is it that I can do with this? And not be the effect of that. Point is, if you don't believe in astrology, great. Then what else is possible here that I haven't yet considered? Do not interact with people who will always say कि ये तो problem है, oh my god, आपका ये तो होना ही था, ये तो देखो ये क्या करके रखा है. Maybe you'll call some Vastu consultants and say that, my mind is going crazy, and they'll come and validate it for you. Don't interact with such people. They're only increasing your need for that self-talk, negative self-talk.
Because they will put in the fear and cash in that fear then.
Why not? They're running their business, dude. Why not?
Mhm.
If I don't make you feel low about you, how will I make money out of you? That is 99% of the people work on that. And very beautifully, I'll seep in that fear into you so that you're always stuck to me. And point is, we are here to empower people. Because the point is you do know.
That's a good healer and a life coach who empowers people rather than
Forget
scaring them.
good or bad. Forget good or bad. We are not here trying to be good or bad. I'm just simply saying, what is it that you would like to have more of? Light or darkness?
Right.
Yeah. And I'm not saying darkness is bad. Sometimes darkness has the fuel to move the light. Like universe, when you talk about space, there's dark energy that is running the universe, right? Because
Mm.
5% is light, 95% is darkness or dark matter. So there's, what if it's not bad? My question is that my only thing is that what if it's not bad? That we've defined is bad. There are people who are using black magic and voodoo and stuff and all. What if they're doing, okay, cool. That's an interesting choice they are making. What if you did not have to go into judgment of that? What if you did not have to be the effect of that? Okay, that's a choice they're making. I will increase my vibration so that that will have no effect on me. Rather than saying, उसने वो किया होगा, so उसकी वजह से मेरे पे ये impact आ रहा है. Okay, cool. Where am I choosing to be impacted by them? Where am I not choosing to be the most dominant entity in my own world? Tell me. Where have you already concluded that you're lesser than them? And only entities have great power over you, while they don't even have a body, dude.
Mhm.
What if they're so lost that they're also searching their way? And what if you could show them the light and show them the way? If some energy is coming here and you're here saying, भाई साहब इधर नहीं उधर जाओ, ये देखो ये light है. Oh wow, that's so empowering that you can be that energy who is guiding all these entities that go. And because you have that, that's why they've been coming to you, yaar. Otherwise, why would entities be interested in you? Tell me. They feel that you get them. You probably, you
You
would
can
not
help them.
that you won't judge them at least.
You
You
can
show
help
them the
them.
way. Yeah.
Yeah.
That you will show them the way. So what if overthinking is never the problem? Maybe it's just a sign that you're so ready to choose. It is kaun si choice. You are stuck with the right and the wrong choice. My point is every wrong choice has also gotten you where you had to go. What if there is nothing wrong? All your disappointments will get you to the destination that you've been asking for. However it gets you. You may think for the moment, अरे मैं तो नीचे चली गई. No, baby, नीचे जाके वो side से ऊपर आना था. What if you did not have to judge every moment? And you think that you are looking for clarity, and so you have to overthink and think more and think more. But it probably comes from being more rather than thinking more. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking, right? It's a very logical process. So typically 10% of your mind is logical. Whereas 90% we call the subconscious or the other awareness, where your actually solutions and answers to life are hidden. So that 10% is controlling your 90%. And that 10% is not going to give you the clarity because you have only very limited information there. The minute that mind shuts down is when you dive into that ocean of information, knowledge, experience, everything. And the what else is possible universe opens up for you. Have you ever seen the more relaxed you are, things start flowing in a very different way?
Right. True.
So the whole idea is about relaxation. And relaxation से मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि बैठ के लेट के आप Netflix देख रहे हो या बस लेटे हुए हो आराम करो. I'm not saying that because when you're lying down also you're probably overthinking at that time also. What am I not doing that if I could be doing will give me the being that I choose to be? Because some people feel कि doing से being आता है. But the fact is being से शायद doing की जरूरत भी ना पड़े. Where are we not being ourselves? So if I was truly being me, what would I choose here? Unless you're enjoying overthinking, that's also fun sometimes. What if you did not have to judge yourself for that? It's about including your body. Your body will take you where you're supposed to go. It's all about the body. but we don't consider the body as valuable. Very few people. You would first probably go for an entity class and a body class, because you feel that they have greater power. And you are only stuck in this 3D reality where you have a body. The body is limited. But what if I tell you that if you kind of get every signal from the body, you're on the path to change your life. If you're not congruent, if you're not aligned with what the body is telling you, and you're doing something else, the body is going to give you pain, trauma, disease, sickness, everything. Because you're not listening to your body. Those are the silent whispers of your body. That, and that's where even overthinking, oh, ye ho raha hai, oh, okay. Body is asking you, mujhe attention de do. So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, possibilities, power, potency, profitability can you and your body be to have total ease with everything that you're aware of with no point of view? Everything that doesn't allow that, can you let that go now?
Yes.
Sometimes you can have fun with overthinking, but overthinking is really not required, because you're not taking the action that you're supposed to be taking. हमारा पूरा बिजनेस प्लान यहाँ पे रेडी होता है, हम सारी चीजें यही दिमाग में सोच के करना चाहते हैं. स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट डाउन ऑन पेन एंड पेपर. Put it down. Put your ideas down. Like when I'm literally, and I'm telling you, जब मेरे को रात को नींद नहीं आ रही होती है, और my mind is so fertile at 12 o'clock in the night, 12 to 1, if I'm not slept by 12, my mind is so fertile with ideas. And I'm like, okay, one idea leads to the future of that idea. I'm like, wow, ये करते हो. Now time जा रहा है. And that's making me restless also. Because एक और thought आता है, what if by morning I forget this thought? So now I've kept a pen and paper next to me. I write it down. The minute you write it down, that thought comes down or shuts down.
It's with me also. Like I'm more creative at night. I mean, like if I am a late sleeper, like entire student life I've been studying at night only. So अगर रात को नींद नहीं आती, if I write down something, I remember. Like I write poem. तो अगर मैं poem thought I write it down तो याद रहेगी, वरना तो भूल जाते हैं.
नहीं, याद नहीं रहेगी. I'll get up in the morning and I'll say, ये किसने लिखा है? Whatever. Did I write this? ऐसा भी होता है. I'm like, wow, this is so cool. ये कब आया? After a few days later, if I kind of go through it. But it's fun. I mean, sometimes. What if, you didn't have to judge even overthinking?
You said overthink could distract karo, so maybe like if not,
I
it's not
write it down.
movement, maybe it's writing for somebody.
Writing
Write
is
karna.
movement, right? You have to distract with your body. Whatever is coming, just pen it down. And the minute you do that, your thoughts start calming down. Ha, theek hai. Because your mind is saying, you'll forget it. You know what? You'll forget it. And this is a beautiful thought.
What if you keep writing and you fill a full notebook, then what do we do? We burn it to release it? Or
No, burn it. See, point is, those are other modalities. You don't need to, because there could be some amazing ideas that you can put to use, maybe not right now. So what I've seen for myself, my ideas are way ahead of time. So मैं आज भी देख रही हूँ and I'm saying ये हो नहीं रहा. And हो नहीं रहा is no question. There is no question हो नहीं रहा. That हो नहीं रहा is a conclusion. So first of all, your fixed points of view and your conclusions, उसको clear करने की जरूरत है. And ask that idea कि कब तेरे को launch करने की जरूरत है. Now or later? Okay, later. Fine. Can you ping me when you're ready to be launched? Rather than getting so effed up in your mind कि ये नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होता, and वो नहीं होता. So where are you going against yourself? Because whatever you say, universe is like, okay, tadastu. Yep, you're right. Universe is constantly saying that. Your body is constantly saying, yes, you're right.
you're asking for it, so get it.
You're asking for it. And then the minute you conclude and you're like, देखा मैंने कहा था. Yeah, but you created that with your reality, with your thought process. उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
अच्छा अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा अच्छा, एवरीथिंग।
Bullshit, अच्छा नहीं बुरा भी सोचो. Point is not about अच्छा and बुरा. सोच रहे हो उसको. See, सोच and शौच, I mean, like thinking and stinking go hand in hand.
राइट।
So everywhere you're stinking with your thoughts.
US Capitol appears to be shut down.
You just need to fucking for that. You just need to let that go.
Air was tossed out.
Please ask your questions if you have any overthinking people. And overthinking leads to burnout also. And that at 8:30, there is an Instagram live that we're going to be having where we're going to be talking about how you create these stressors in your body and create illnesses. Overthinking is a killer and it burns you out. And everywhere when you were a kid, तुमको कहा गया था सोच के काम करो, कि तुम उस सोच के आगे काम ही नहीं कर पाए. इतनी सोच लगा दी तुमने कि काम ही नहीं हुआ जी तुम्हारा, क्योंकि सबका सोचने लग गए तुम.
Wait,
Later,
and
then-
what you're seeing burnout by Instagram, that's a live, will the replay be available later on?
Yeah. That'll be available even later. It'll get recorded.
So मेरा दो थिंग्स होता है. सो व्हेनेवर अ क्लाइंट कम्स टू मी आई एम लाइक अच्छा इसको तो भी पूरा मैं ठीक करके ही छोड़ूंगा. एंड बाय द टाइम सो ओनली अ डिस्कशन हैपेंड यू नो. तो सेकंड कॉल नहीं हुआ है. इफ नॉट इज रिसीव बट तो मैं पूरा अपने दिमाग में उसको उसका सब ठीक कर दिया. उसके बाद दैट क्लाइंट डजंट फॉलो अप एंड आई एम लाइक यार फिर से मेरे से ही कुछ गलती हुआ होगा. वो
नहीं,
थॉट में
because
चले
तुमने already उसको mentally वो energy दे दी जो लेने आया था and you didn't even charge for it. Are you getting it? So वो सोच में लाना ही नहीं है. ओ ये वाला क्लाइंट आ जाएगा तो ये पैसे आ जाएंगे तो ये वो भी पैसे पहले ही आके चले भी गए तुम्हारे पास. Energetically, you're very energetic beings, all of you.
एंड सेम जब कोई मतलब जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी आता है पहला सोच है कि अभी तो मैं इंटरव्यू पास कर लिया, उधर काम भी कर लिया, सब कर लिया, उसके बाद याद आता है अरे इसका तो फॉलो अप का ही नहीं आया
ये
है.
होता है. कितने लोगों ने तो दिमाग में शादी करके रख ली है, अभी तक बायोडेटा भी नहीं बनाया है. अरे शादी हो गई तो फिर ये हो जाएगा. हो गई उनकी से हो नहीं रही है अभी रियल लाइफ में. एंड अब तो वो दिन दिन से करनी भी नहीं है, विच इज ओके.
ये भी होता है। Okay.
तो नहीं, जब एनर्जेटिक स्पेंडिंग होती है तो एनर्जेटिक दिमागी तौर पे तुमने वो कर भी लिया ना.
Energetic, मुझे I agree with what you said कि energetically इन्होंने एनर्जी दे दिया. That person was
हाँ.
so charged up with energy, उसके सारे issues solve हो गए एक ही सेशन में.
एग्जैक्टली. और तुम्हारे पास कुछ आया भी नहीं.
आपने फ्री में दे दिया.
ग्लास थोड़ा 12 आना वाला क्या है मुहावरा, कोई बोलेगा?
हाँ वही है, ग्लास थोड़ा बाहर आना. खाया पिए कुछ नहीं, ग्लास थोड़ा बाहर
खाया
आना.
पिया कुछ नहीं,
यही
ग्लास
यही
थोड़ा बाहर आना.
बस खाया पिया कुछ नहीं, मिला भी कुछ नहीं उसमें से. तुमने सोच में उसकी हीलिंग कर दी. वो बंदा कहता है तुमसे बात करके बड़ा अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड नहीं, मेरे पैसे पैसे तो दे दो मेरे.
You have already put in the intention ना कि आज इसको ठीक करके ही छोड़ना है, तो उसको एनर्जी मिल गया.
एग्जैक्टली. व्हाट इफ वो इंटेंशन या वो थॉट तुम अपने लिए रख लो यार, कि ठीक करके नहीं ठीक करना है. इट्स ओके.
नहीं, ठीक करना है पर चार्ज करके करना है. ठीक करना है पर चार्ज करके करना है.
बट एम्पावर आप कर रहे हो क्या? वो एम्पावर होना चाहते हैं जिनके हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ चुके हो तुम. व्हाट इफ यू डिडंट हैव टू मेक इट सिग्निफिकेंट?
But Kavita, in manifesting, they say that you imagine the whole scenario, and then when you get the money, you buy the car and the house and.
No, that is overthinking.
Ah.
वो इट्स लाइक वी कैन से ना, वो क्या एक मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन से अपने और ख्याली पुलाव पका रहे हैं.
Yeah. It's all in your head. It's like a Piku universe going on.
Yeah, so in creative visualization, they teach you to do that only.
No. That if you're doing it for work is a different thing. But for your life, there are many other things that you can do. Because we
Okay.
are energetic beings. So we have to just pull the energy. Send out tricks. There's so much available to us. We're not even choosing that right now.
कविता, कैन आई से?
हाँ बोलो.
जब मैं नई नई रेकी सीखी थी ना, तो इवन एम्बुलेंस भी निकलती थी ना, तो मैं उसे रेकी देती थी. वो सोल को चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
मैं तो अब अवेयरनेस आई कि वो सोल का चूज करने का वही होगा, तो वो कैसे यानी रुकेगा, वो तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, पक्का जाएगा। तो अब अवेयरनेस आती है जैसे एक्सेस में आए बाद।
क्योंकि पूछा नहीं हमने, वो भी तो एक अब्यूज है
Yes.
कि इसको चाहिए नहीं, आपने फिर भी दे रहे हो। विनीता बोल रही है, आई हैव मैनिफेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बाय क्रिएटिव विजुअलाइजेशन। आई एम नॉट सेइंग विजुअलाइजेशन इज रॉन्ग और बैड, बिकॉज that's another modality. But when we talk about access, we are more energy beings, so we have to play with that energy rather than getting into कि a lot of people think, अच्छा किसी का वो विजुअल कैपेसिटी नहीं है, लाइक ये फैंटेशिया वाले लोग जो है, तो उनको लगता है कि मेरा तो हो ही नहीं रहा है क्योंकि मेरे को तो विजुअल दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। नॉट एवरीवन इज एज क्रिएटिव, राइट? इन दैट वे, लाइक दिखने वाला क्रिएटिव, विजुअलाइजेशन वाला क्रिएटिव।
एनर्जी है ना,
क्रिएटिव तो हम
follow
बहुत हैं, but what if you could just simply ask a question and be with that energy, or let that energy out into the universe? बाकी काम थोड़ा यूनिवर्स को करने दो, right? You got to trust the universe. Universe got your back. सब चीज अपने ऊपर लाद लेना है कि हाँ मेरे को ही करना है क्योंकि मैं सोच रही हूँ तो मैं ही करूंगी। कैन यू जस्ट बी इजी ऑन योरसेल्फ पीपल? द वेरी फैक्ट कि वो थॉट आया, उसका क्या एक्शन लेने की जरूरत है, और क्या वो थॉट तुम्हारे लिए बना है कि नहीं? पूछो तो सही, ये थॉट मेरे लिए है? ओके, लेट्स डू समथिंग अबाउट इट। So again, I'll ask, so what energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you and your body be to have total ease with everything that you're aware of, with no judgment, no conclusion, no point of view? And just calm your mind down. Any other question? Keep using the tools and get your bars done. Or get your body processes done, because that also helps. Do you know yoga में क्या बोलते हैं? पहले अगर आपका शरीर शांत है तो आप मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठ सकते हैं, because when your body is restless you really can't sit in meditative posture. So
तो
like
अगर किसी का बॉडी में ऑलरेडी वो योगा इज डन टू काम डाउन योर माइंड एंड बॉडी बोथ ना, पर अगर आपका
so
बॉडी में
what body
pain है, तो
processes
कैसे करोगे?
body processes calm your body down. Now when you start like kind of applying your meditative techniques also, it helps in that. Gary talks about it. Your meditation gets even better. But there are some people who still don't enjoy meditation. Perfectly fine. Get your bars run. You will become a walking, talking meditation with bars, with who does it belong to, with interesting point of view, with pock and pods.
You keep talking in access language, which the other people will not understand.
Easy. No, that's okay. Because see, point is जो easy है, जो आसान है, चलते फिरते हो सकता है, उसके लिए फिर बैठ के क्यों करने की जरूरत है ना? चल रहे हो तो भी आपकी ओवर थिंकिंग तो खत्म नहीं हो रही है ना, तो ये चलते चलते आप क्या सोच रहे हो उसमें वो टूल्स यूज कर लोगे तो यू कटिंग इट आउट।
बट सब सिचुएशंस कम की जब अपन सोचना चाहते हैं कि अपन टूल्स यूज कर रहे, सब टूल्स याद नहीं आते हैं।
सोचना नहीं है, जस्ट आस्क अ क्वेश्चन ना। फिर
नहीं, पर कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशंस में होते हैं अपन कि उस वक्त अपना दिमाग काम ही नहीं कर रहा होता है
कोई
और
बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, उस समय नहीं याद आता है, आपको 2 घंटे बाद याद आ जाएगा, तब यूज कर लो। पर उसको कैरी नहीं करो, ओ फिर रिग्रेट में नहीं जाओ, ओ ये कर लिया होता, ये होता, ये होता। वही मोमेंट में एटलीस्ट
बट
तुम्हें
वी
उस
गो टू रिग्रेट या गिल्ट में कि अगर ये कर लिया होता तो ऐसा नहीं होता।
नहीं करना है। सो यू पिक अप अ फोन, वो मोमेंट पे जब आप डिप मार रहे हो, हैव अ बडी, जस्ट कॉल, let the buddy ask you questions. We encourage, why do we encourage buddy kind of a scenario in access? Because have somebody where you can reach out to them, because कभी कभी blank हो जाता है, नहीं याद आता है, and that is okay.
When
और
you
just
say body, it's like a compatibility partner you choose for yourself.
accountability का वो different terminology सबकी हैं, but the point is I call it a buddy because you just have to ask them कि मेरे को सवाल पूछो, can you ask me some questions? Have somebody there, you know, who can, क्योंकि उस समय सिर्फ दोस्त, मेरे को बताओ क्या करना है।
बिकॉज आई थिंक टू मच।
I know. So that's what I'm saying. So have somebody who can ask you questions and you're like, huh, I can ask that. Hang up. After some time, again you're back into the loop. Maybe call that person or someone else. Again talk to that person and give me more tools. And now उस moment में जब आप जा रहे हो वो time नहीं है, but now you've spoken, now you have some tools at least. And then take the action that, okay, I have to get my bars run, or I have to do something, or I just have to put my hand here, or just have
But
to
you
do.
have no one to call then.
So what is your way?
मतलब कि ऐसे पर्सन को कॉल करे कि जो अपने को इस चीज से बाहर निकाल सके।
So find
ऐसा
out,
कोई पर्सन ही नहीं
create
हो अपने लाइफ में
join a
कि
community where you have more than one person who you can pick up the phone and talk to. Create a community, take action for that. ऐसा तो नहीं होता है ना कि कभी कोई होएगा ही नहीं आपके साथ कि जो आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहेगा।
एटलीस्ट अपने
I
अपने
think-
टॉपिक पे बात करना चाहेगा।
नहीं, but at least that's where you distract yourself. Talk to them about what's going on with them.
Yeah, got the
आपको
point.
हम हीलिंग करते हैं जब हमारे सामने और दुखी इंसान आ जाता है ना, तो अपने को लगता है ले हमारा प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है।
सही है।
What you mean is like आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि सिर्फ कई बार फालतू की गप्पे मारो, that is also a distraction, right?
Why
You
not?
need not discuss your problem.
Why not? Why not? Where have you defined that what you have to talk to the other person?
Hmm.
So thank you so much for this call. Lovely having an interaction on this. Next we can talk about the occult का हमारे ऊपर impact.
Thank you for creating this call.
Thank you for giving this topic. As I said, please keep pouring in your suggestions as far as the topic is concerned. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful weekend, and 8:30 is the Instagram live on burning yourself out, burnout.
Thanks a lot,
Send us the link in
Kavita.
the group.
Very
na?
nice.
Yes. Sneha will be putting that
Thank
link.
you.
Nah,
Thank you.
send us the link in the group. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye.